Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to enable Ledger Live notifications. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Ledger Live application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Ledger Live if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the bottom left corner, we have the wallet, we have the earn, discover, and your ledger in the bottom right corner. And in the middle, we have the send, receive, buy, sell, stake, and swap options. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and enable Ledger Live notifications. So it is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in just no time. So to do it, go to the top right corner and click on your gear icon when you're in the wallet tab, which is the first tab, which you will of course defaultly have. Now, when you click there, as you can see, we have about 6 or 7 options here. General, about, notifications, help, experimental features, feedback, and developer. Of course, what you need to do is go and click on notifications, and here your notifications are disabled. You just need to go and click turn on, and they will be turned on. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. As always, bye guys.